Hello guys, we are in another steel brain rot video. This is actually a modded version. This is what they are real brain rots. Yeah, you can even do events and
Los bombinitos.
You can spawn brain rots. Like, let me show you.
Car kur.
For example, let's spawn
Quesadillo vampiro.
Beanie.
Tic tac sahur.
Pizza.
Pakramat mamat. Chakeki.
Oh wait. Can't. Actually, let's spawn Lassis, for example.
Lassis.
So this, look, the Lassis has been spawned.
Yes, my examen.
Do you need more?
Graipus medusi.
Let's sell all these brain rots by ones. I don't know. I'm gonna speed it up now. Let's speed it up.
Coco fanto elefanto.
Alright.
La car combinazione.
Now today we're gonna be opening the new festive lucky block. That's gonna actually come right this Saturday, and this is like an early bird. Loads of mythics is spawning, but who cares? Let's do fest, and we need to get the
Agarrini la palini. Los trallaleritos. Telemorte.
Okay, we've spawned all these lucky blocks. We're gonna get the cookie and milky. We got all of these here.
Mariachi corazoni.
We even got them on the third
Los
base.
orcalitos. Tortughini dragonfrutini. Las vaquitas saturnitas. Skull.
Let's open this one.
Oregini boom. La saur combinazione.
So the first one we got was the little Jolly Grande.
Los Jolly.
And another little Jolly Grande.
Kur. Guerriero digitale.
We got the cookie and milky, fine, that's good. But we need to open all these brand new lucky blocks. Yeah, I heard the cucaracha spawn. It's another cookie and milky. Well, I also heard the Yeah, another Guerrero digital. I got the ho sahur. Oh yeah, I think this one. Oh, it's the Giftini Spiderini. Don't know if I like. Why even is it invisible? This is the brand new festive lucky block.
Extinct Matte.
Okay, it's another Jolly Grande. Oh, I got the Los Joawaninis.
Los Spiderinis.
Yeah, the Los Spiderinis from the 70 Spiderinis.
Tortughini dragonfrutini.
Oh no.
Extinct Matte.
Okay, the cookie and milky again.
Black hole.
Actually, we're not seeing all these brain rots. We're doing. Okay, let's open all these lucky blocks. One. It is kind of like the mythic, secret, and brain rot got lucky blocks, but it's actually very instant.
Los Mateos. Tralalelo tralala. Graipus medusi. Las tralaleritas. Carker Car Cur Cur.
Okay.
Treno Struzzo Turbo 4. Burrito. Los Carqueritos.
We got the cookie and milk. Oh wait, good. That's good. We got the 25 minutes. So all these brain mods. Okay, if you don't want this again, I'm just gonna put the video on. Okay, we finally done.
Carker Sahur.
So look, everything is empty now.
Takramat Mama.
We are gonna keep this cookie and
Mami Ambalabo.
milky.
Los Tralaleritos. Coco
Okay.
Fanto Elefanto.
Well,
Los Jobcitos.
let's spawn a strawberry elephant, but that's like our outro, you know.
Burrito Bandito.
Let's spawn strawberry elephant.
Quesadilla Crocodila.
Let's spawn
Butolino
both of them.
Scheletono.
Let's
La Saur Combinazione. La Stralaleritas. Strawberry Elephant. Strawberry Fragola
now we're gonna spawn the Meowl, which is the second OG.
Chakeki. Meow. Meow.
Skippity Toilet is gonna be the new OG. So yeah, anyways, hope you liked it.
Botito Auratito.
Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.